Hello my friends. Today I want to play with my Play Home microwave. I brought my friends, Minnie and Mickey Mouse, along to play with me because I like the microwave, but I don't know, I'd be lonely without friends. So, the first thing I'm going to cook is a turkey. I put my toy turkey inside the microwave, and look, when I hit start, the microwave makes my food turn. It really works. Minnie Mouse approves. Her and Mickey are very hungry. And I'm so excited because I just think the microwave is super cute, and Mickey and Minnie make everything even more cute. Now I'm going to open it. It has these 4 great little buttons here. Turkey. Minnie is hungry, but we're not going to eat yet because you know me, I must make some Play-Doh food. I like to use crafting dough, plastilina or Play-Doh or, whatever I feel like, to roll out and design food. Especially, if you're going to play with a microwave. It's very easy to make food of any kind because a microwave can microwave almost anything. Now we will cut, using of course our dough knife, never a real knife. I'm going to cut a nice shape. First I make a rectangle. I'm going to cut off the sides and the bottom, and then I'm going to fold it in half. Now, using more of my Play-Doh, I put tiny orange spots all over the big yellow piece. I'm so excited. I just think making food is really fun and it's going to be really cute, and I need a toy microwave because I have every other toy kitchen thing ever. I have, cupcake makers and a Peppa Pig kitchen and all these different toys, but a microwave, yeah, that'll help speed things along. Now I'm going to close with the orange inside and add tiny little cuts to the edge. Pretty perfect, don't you think? I think so. Add some more. And back to my beautiful microwave, which is such a lovely shade of blue. I put my food on the little tray here, close it, and hit start. There it goes! Spinning, spinning, spinning. Minnie's gonna watch her food. Oh dear, Mickey, I hope we don't burn it. Looks delicious and it smells good too. Minnie and Mickey are making dinner. They've had a very long day and they're quite hungry. Okay, looking good. Delicious. I'm just going to cut open the top, and it's popcorn! I put white dough inside so that they could have a wonderful bag of popcorn. Isn't it adorable? Let me show you how I made it. It's really very easy. I start with the orange Play-Doh so I can pretend that it is popcorn kernels, and then I take it out and I put inside these little white ones. I didn't want to spoil the surprise though, but this is how I made it. You just cut 3 little sides here. Okay, so we start with a white ball, and then we're going to cut it 3 times to make a popcorn. And now we have 6 good little pieces of popcorn. We're gonna make a few more and fill that bag up, and then I can put that back in the microwave and pretend like my popcorn cooked. Okay, inside you go. So we take out our pretend kernels and put in our cooked popcorn. Close the bag again. Isn't that the cutest thing? Don't you think it's the best? I super like my Play-Doh popcorn. I'm a genius, you know. And now, nom, 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 nom. Mickey and Minnie can eat their delicious Play-Doh popcorn and watch a movie together. Now let's make some more food. I'll show you more of my amazing Play-Doh secrets. I start by putting a jar of Play-Doh inside the microwave. And I pretend to cook it. You'll never guess what's going to come out. Ta-da! An entire meal. Pretty crazy, huh? Yum! Ooh, Minnie Mouse! Look at this delicious meal. We have chicken and French fries. A little turkey. I guess it's really a turkey. Yum, yum, yum! Oh, Minnie is so excited. Well, I will show you again my secrets. I don't want to ruin the surprise, you know, so I always show the end results. But this is how I made the turkey meal, or the chicken meal, whatever you want to call it. You start with brown Play-Doh, because that's just a great basic color, and you make like a shape, kind of like a potato, to be honest. Roll it, squish it, kind of trim it out. Then we're going to make the legs by cutting the rest of the Play-Doh in half, really quickly rolling that together. I'm speeding things up a bit. I don't know, somebody has to be surprised and delighted when my popcorn cooks. Okay. Now we add a little bit of white to the leg there. Add the white to the leg, and there's your turkey. Now to add a few more things, spruce up the plate. And then I will cut, and make super awesome Play-Doh food. Cut. Okay. And then we will cut the strips in half. Excuse me. Okay. We have our potato strips. Load them up on the plate. And a little bit more, just for decoration. Ta-da! The most perfect turkey dinner, which, you know, I then put in the microwave and pretend cooked. Oh, what am I gonna make this time? You'll never guess. I put 2 jars of Play-Doh to spin and cook. A donut! My microwave made a beautiful donut. Mickey and Minnie love it. Again, I will show you my amazing secrets. Behold how I make the world's greatest Play-Doh donut. Oh my, excuse me. Well, first you're going to start with the color of your donut. Mine was yellow. And you just have to make a circle. A big flat circle, and cut another circle into the middle. It's really very easy to do. You can use anything, a pencil, a finger. Craft a donut. Now what's a little bit trickier is making a really good looking frosting. I use pink because it's adorable, and then I'm going to roll it out, make it flat, roll it again. Alright, this will be probably the last of my great microwave secrets that I share with you, but I'm so glad that you stopped to see my cute food. Somebody needs to appreciate my cute food. Now what I like to do is just roll the frosting flat and then gently cover the donut with the frosting. Afterwards, I use the same tool as before, be it a pencil, whatever you used, to poke a hole in the frosting layer and make the donut complete. Afterwards, I add sprinkles and decoration, because what is a donut without sprinkles and decoration? Ta-da! And that is how Mickey and Minnie have their delicious donut. Well, thanks so much for playing and watching my silly gag of making food. If you like awesome toys, click on the link to see more of my awesome toys. I had so much fun with this super cute microwave. Thank you for playing with me. Bye-bye!